How to buy XPI token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to some crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going to buy this token, make sure to check your X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMEXC. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your BitGet wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the Solana as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and place the token address as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token to just add it called XPI. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it. And here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and make sure of course that you have enough USDT on it right now. That's how much you want to buy. In a while you will be able to see here how much you receive of this token, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy XPI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.